Hammurabi leads Babylon in Sid Meier's Civilization VI. Best remembered for documenting his lawful alignment in Hammurabi's code, the ancient ruler was also dedicated to building infrastructure and improving the lives of citizens through scientific innovation. Babylon's unique ability is called Enuma, Anu, Enlil. With this ability, Eurekas provide all of the science needed for technologies, although it also decreases the science generated each turn. Babylon's unique unit is an ancient-era melee unit called the Sabun Kibitum. It receives increased combat strength when facing heavy and light cavalry promotion units, and also offers additional movement and sight. Babylon's unique building is the Palgum. It replaces the watermill and provides additional housing and production. It also increases the food yield from freshwater tiles, but requires the city be adjacent to a river. Hammurabi's ability, Ninu Ilu Sirum, makes the construction of specialty districts even more special. When a specialty district is constructed for the first time, that district's lowest production cost building is included in the initial construction for free. Additionally, constructing any other district for the first time grants a free envoy. Babylon offers a highly strategic, science-fueled game focused on getting as many Eurekas as possible. This playstyle rewards vigilance in pursuit of meeting boost conditions and maintaining a keen awareness of the tech tree. Great scientists are also key to victory because they grant Babylon a full rather than partial tech. Build the Great Library as soon as possible to ensure you still get a science boost whenever another civ recruits a great scientist. A robust spy network can also be useful, allowing you to steal other civs' technologies. However, be wary of spies angering potential allies and preventing a Tier 2 science alliance, which can be especially beneficial to Babylon. Will you use science to illuminate the world or darken it with tyranny? How will you lead Babylon in Sid Meier's Civilization VI?